Today we are in Grayslake, Illinois, doing a soft wash on this vinyl sided house. Remove this mildew, mold, and algae. All the solutions we use are safe. We like to take out all the what ifs out of every equation. So we do have plant wash neutralizing step as well. Follow. And here are the final results of the soft wash to this house in Grayslake, Illinois. Vinyl sided, all low pressure, safe solutions, neutralizing plant wash for our final step. Make sure everything is nice and safe when we leave the property. Give us a call for house washing, roof cleaning, concrete cleaning, and sealing. 630-422-5020. Thank you.